Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's videos, I am super excited to give you a quick overview of a classical game we all love, named Flappy Bird, what made by the Java. I will walk you through a brief explanation of how the game works and I built it using core Java concept like oops, game loop, key listener and the graphics. And finally, I will running the code so you can see the game in action. This video is preferred for Java beginner or immediate learner who want to understand how games are built from scratch without any fancy game engine. So in upcoming videos, I will break down the code step by step. So stay tuned if you want to build it along with me. If you like the idea, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the tutorial. Alright, let's jump right in the overview and run the Java Flappy Bird game. So, run the code. Wait. Run again. You can see when the Flappy Bird touch this pillar, the game will be over. And if it down to the ground, the game also will be over. So let's run again. You can see it. Sorry. I am not expert in gaming, so you can see it. You can see the game running like that, and when you touch up or down any side of the pillar, the game will be over. So for making this, we have write the code like this and the Flappy Bird Java like this. In this code, all the logic, how the Flappy Bird move up and down, right, all are written in this code. You can see, and in app.java, we define the area width of the game display and the height of the game display, and you can see the images we are providing here. The floppybird.png, we have used a pillar like a image and floppy bird like a image. So you can see I am using the swing and Java swing and the AWX and the event listener key and the also using of UTL random for the random pillar upcoming when our Fluffy Bird move forward, the random pillar uh, arrangement comes. You can see it. Our board size so is 602 and the board height is the 640. I will explain all these things in the next video and uh, create from the sketch. If you like this video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel. In next video, I will explain all the code and how it works, all the mathematical logic which I have used in this video. I will describe in the next video. So keep subscribing our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.